So for Black Friday this year, Mary and I decided to head out and explore to Cove 3 on Saguaro Lake. To get to Cove 3, we have to go through a trail system called the Rolls.
The Rolls OHV trail system is accessible from the Four Peaks area as well as Pobrecito, which is just off the Bush Highway. The Rolls consists of 65 miles of some really great trails at a variety of different difficulty levels. There are some amazing views which range from mountain views, desert views, and then of course the lake coves that we were traveling to today.
The Rolls gets its name from the roller coaster action the trails offer. This is a good one to air down on because it's pretty bumpy and there are a lot of rolling hills that you go over.
So the trail that we took from Four Peaks to Cove 3 was a pretty easy trail. There was one hill that had a little bit of obstacles where we needed to slow down, but overall it was an easy route.
So some of today's goals were to get out and explore, get some fresh air, do some photography, and mostly don't get caught up in the Black Friday crowds.
Once you start descending towards the lake, you'll see that the roads become mostly sandy washes.
So while you're out on your adventures, remember to keep the trails picture perfect. Pick up the trash you see, take more out than you started with, and always pack out what you bring in. The light on this day was pretty normal at the beginning, and it was not disappointing at sunset, because there was plenty of clouds to add to the drama of our photographs. Look at these amazing sunsets. If you like today's adventure out here to Cove 3 and would like to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe so you can be notified when we post new adventures videos.
We hope you enjoyed the pictures along the way. As always, our photos are up for sale at forloveandcraft.com, where our proceeds are donated to Feed the Hungry. And until next time, get out there, explore,
Create,
and do good. Bye.
Bye.